Hello everyone, I Manisha Sinha welcome you to the video made for Standard 4, that is Managing Files and Folders Chapter 2 Part 9. Students, earlier we have seen what is a file and what are the folders. Even we have seen how to create a file and how to create a folder, how to save a file and what are subfolders. Even today we will going to discuss how to open these file or folder. It is very easy to open any of the file or folder. To open any of the file or a folder, simply move the pointer to the particular file or folder and double click on it. The file or folder will open and you can view its content very easily. Just you have to simply click on the file or folder icon. We know the icon are the small pictures. We can open related file or folders by double clicking on these icons, and the particular file or folder will be open in front of you. You can easily edit in that file or folder. Next, we will going to learn how to rename a file or folder. To rename a file or folder, we can easily choose the rename option. Rename means to change the existing name of a file or folder. While creating file or folder, you must have saved it with particular name given to the file or folder. But we can also change it according to our requirement. We can again rename it and save it again. To rename any file or folder, follow the given steps. First, you have to right click on the desired file or folder. Select the rename option from the shortcut menu. When you right click on the desired file or folder, a shortcut menu will appear on your screen and you just have to select the rename option. The file or folder name will be highlighted. That file or folder name will be highlighted. Now type the new name that you wish to give to your file or folder. You can easily rename your file and folder by providing it a new name by right clicking on the desired file and folder. By selecting the rename option, you can easily change the name of your file and folder. You can rename it and save it again with that name that you want to specify. Thank you very much.